Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your CallApp. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, so then you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on customization here, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Come here to incoming call cover here, clicking this sign here or this color. Like you see color, it's going, that's mean incoming call over disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.